Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Hadin open dep lai a wai thang yau bhang wa thung ha like lu long so yong lagi bor district Iskasi Hills dailang gibru gatnat forest excise wa state anti narcotics task force neliang SP ke Iskasi Hills ubivex em de bentip wa yo a oput yakama chpau ton bhang na ini thaw de bentip bule wa ni ki thaw wa thung bhang to wa he adot san hectare de wa khain lang wa do ong le wa da a lut ya wa ro ni bhang wa em ha ki ni ki thaw wa de thang le pen hai ni thaw hadin wa pen lang ki USP ben che wa thung ni rap yo bhang mani percaya ka an wa yeu cha pen stam ha po ka an NDPS act
Dia mat dia nak tu.